In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zendesk Explore effectively. If you're looking to gain insights and make data-driven decisions in Zendesk, following along will guide you through accessing and utilizing the powerful analytics tools available. First, you'll want to access Zendesk Analytics. To get started, log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find the waffle icon. Click on it. From the ensuing menu, select Analytics. This is the new label for what is traditionally known as Explore. This dedicated section is where your comprehensive data exploration begins. Once you're in, you can make the most of pre-built dashboards. These ready-to-use dashboards are designed by Zendesk to give you an insightful overview of various aspects of your service operations. You'll find dashboards for support metrics like tickets and service-level agreements, labeled as SLAs. Additionally, there are dashboards for talk, chat, guide, and messaging, along with customer satisfaction scores, commonly known as CSAT. These dashboards are incredibly flexible. You can filter the data by date, group, agent, or channel, among other options, to narrow down on the specifics you need. Moreover, if you wish to save or distribute the data, you can easily export the information or download it in PDF or CSV formats for further analysis or presentation. For those of you who want to dive deeper and create tailored insights, you'll move on to creating custom reports. Find your way to the Queries section and click on New Query to initiate crafting your report. The first step in this process is to choose a dataset. For example, you might be interested in the support dataset, which focuses on tickets. After selecting your dataset, you'll specify the metrics you want to measure. For instance, you may choose tickets created as your key metric. Next, define the attributes. These determine how your data is organized, such as by date or agent. After setting up metrics and attributes, select a visualization type that best represents your data, such as a bar chart, pie chart, or table. Once you've configured these settings, click Run to generate your dynamic and informative report. The final step is to build or customize your dashboards. Here, you have the flexibility to combine multiple queries into one coherent dashboard. This allows you to visualize diverse data trends in a unified manner. Adding filters like date ranges, groups, assignees, and others helps in tweaking the dashboard to mirror the specific needs of your stakeholders. Tailor the dashboard's layout to enhance its visual appeal and usability, and once perfected, share it with your team or relevant stakeholders to ensure everyone benefits from these insights. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using Zendesk Explore to its fullest potential. By now, you should be well equipped to navigate your analytics, tailor reports, and contribute to informed decision-making in your organization. Happy exploring!